Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to DevEx Robux. So DevEx is essentially the dollar to Robux exchange amount. In order to do that, all you have to do is firstly go to Roblox website. So in the search panel of our browser, we'll type Roblox, then hit on the Google search button. After that, we'll go to the Roblox website. Now let the website load. Meanwhile, make sure that you're logged in with your ID and then go to the Create tab. Now on the left hand side of your screen under the Finances tab, you will find the DevEx section. And from here you can do the exchange of DevEx. Minimum 30,000 Robux is necessary in your amount to do the DevEx exchange. And for 30,000 Robux, you will receive 105 US dollars. If you have 30,000 Robux in your account and you are over 13 years of age, you will be able to click on the cash out button in here. And after some processing, the cash will reach in your ID, and then you can enjoy the cash. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.